Alright, so today you guys are going to look up what locomotor and non-locomotor skills are. So I'm going to read this out. Today we're going to do a lesson on locomotor skills and non-locomotor skills. These are under Standard 1 that you looked up on Friday. These are both something that you should have learned in elementary school, and I want you to research either one. I don't want you to look up both, so you can either look up what locomotor skills means, or you can choose non-locomotor skill. Just pick one. Give me the definition, and then I want you to list a sport or an activity that involves that skill. So all you'll have to do is simply Google the definition of either locomotor skills or non-locomotor skills, and you are going to put that right underneath here. Or if you want to search for a YouTube video that explains the definition, or maybe it has both. So if you find a YouTube video that explains what the skills are, and maybe they're showing people in the video that are performing the skills doing a sport or an activity, then you can just simply go find that YouTube video and put it either here or here. But only do that if it involves both. So if you find a YouTube video that gives me the definition and you can find a sport that goes to it, then that's fine. Or if you simply just want to write down the definition and then give me a sport or activity, that's fine too. Just make sure you are posting something that shows me both. If you have any questions, email me. It's not going to be that hard. All you're going to have to do is Google. Then email me if you have problems, but don't make this harder than what it has to be. You guys looked up the standards on Friday, and you should be familiar with some of them. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to start out with what these skills are, what it looks like, and just post your answers in one or two. Again, you can either write down or you can search a YouTube video that gives me both of the answers that I'm looking for. Don't make it harder than what it has to be. Again, always make sure you're taking attendance, which is this form right here, and then make sure you're posting everything before 10 o'clock so you don't lose points.